Hey guys, it's Gigi Explorer and good morning. So today I'm gonna be a little sneaky. I'll teach you how to make your very own GoPro. You'll need a string and a magnifying glass. So then it will look like this. But you can do that before the video even. But I've got my special GoPro. Oh wow. And see what I can do. And it kind of half sure when you do it to the side. So I'm going to do a little bit like this. I'm going to launch it down. I tried doing the camera, but then I thought it'll break. Maybe the idea didn't work, supposedly. No, sorry guys. Guys. Yay! Reunited. So it's unprecedented times. Yeah, that means it's very bad in this new world. And I think if you can't do it at the window, you can do it in other places. Like for example, under your bed. To see if there's any spiders. Or you can spy your parents' children up in the stairs. And yeah. Why? Why do you always go back? My chair's always going back. I'm watching my aunt if you may love her. And if you guys don't know, storks. And yeah, so yeah, and there are 3 chicks, and I don't know, I don't have a long leg with them. And if you see a banana, and we'll see you. And we're doing camping. It's day 2, and I made that camera just for tonight. Since I'm gonna switch it for the camera. Oh yeah, so much better. And then I'll see you guys later. Bye.